Sell out your product and show your product to hundreds of thousands of interested buyers on Facebook without running a Facebook ads. As you can see on your screen right now, these are clicks from 3 of my products. As you can see, this is 1,597 clicks in the past 30 days for just 3 of my products, and these are messages from customers or interested buyers who have messaged me for this product, though I have sell it out. But as you can see, these are some of the read message, and these are messages I have not even touched. Okay, I got these people interested in my product without running a single ads on Facebook, of which I'm going to be showing you how you can do this using a simple Facebook tool. Okay, now many of you might have known this tool, but you don't know how to utilize it, or you don't even know this tool. Everyone has it on Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, you already have this tool, but many of us don't know how to utilize this tool. Okay, if you are a small business owner, an e-commerce entrepreneur, this is your best shot in this season, because you'll be showing your product to thousands and hundreds of thousands of interested buyers without running a single ads on Facebook. Or maybe you have a used item you want to sell at home. You have a refrigerator, you have a generator, you have a TV, or maybe a shoe, a pair of shoes you want to sell out. Okay, you don't use it again. You can easily use this platform to sell these goods and services. Okay, so you want to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to be practically showing you how you can optimize your product, how you can optimize it for search, how you can list your product, and how you can list your product on other marketplaces, of which you will get to more high bulb. Okay, now I'm going to be taking you to my screen, showing you how you can do this thing. Very practical. So let's go to my screen as I unveil this platform to you on Facebook. Alright, the tool I was talking about is the Facebook Marketplace. I know you must have heard of it, you know this already, or maybe you might have come across it on Facebook, but wait, you don't know how to use this. On this video, I'm going to be showing you the proper way to use it to sell out whatever product you are selling. If it's landed property, is a real estate, you are a car dealer, or any kind of product you are selling, you can use this tool. You can use this tool to sell out any product, okay, if you do it the proper way. Now I'm going to head over to my account, and I'm going to show you something very unique and fast. Okay, here is my profile, and here I can check my commercial profile, my announcement, my listing, of which I have 3 listings in the Facebook Marketplace, and my inbox, of which messages. Okay, I'm going to come to inside so that you can see something very amazing. Okay, very amazing. Now in the past 7 days, because in the past 2-3 weeks I have not list any product on the marketplace, though my total listing is 3. Okay, I have over 103 clicks on my product. Okay, 3 clicks on my product. And if we have to go back to the last 30 days, you are going to see that I have 1,597 clicks on my listing. Okay, on my listing, of which I have only 3 active product or listing. Okay, I got this listing without running a single ads on Facebook. I got these people interested in my product. I got this 1,005 people interested or coming through to ask for interest. I got these people interested in my product without running a single ads on Facebook. Okay, I didn't do anything. I just optimized my product and I placed it on that marketplace, and I got these people interested in what I was selling. Okay, I got this without any Facebook ads or anything. Okay, imagine these clicks. Now imagine the kind of reach the product would have reached, or imagine the kind of reach the product would have reached. Okay, this is product you list. And one of the best thing about Facebook Marketplace is that they will take your product and they will take it to people who are solely interested in this product. Okay, they won't show your product to people who are not interested. They will show it to people who are interested, because people come to this marketplace to search for product they want to buy. Okay, and if you can optimize this product very well, or you can optimize it very well, you can easily be showing in front of your target and right audience. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do all this in this very video. Now if I come back to this marketplace, now this is the marketplace. Basically you can sell anything here. You can sell anything here. Okay, you can sell anything here. If you are an e-commerce person, an entrepreneur, an internet marketer, you can, even a real estate agent, you can come here. These are generator, clothes and accessories, TV and earphone and what's it called, stabilizer. People are selling on this marketplace. Okay, let's just come here and search for any random thing. Okay, let's just come to search for land for sale, which I already searched already, land for sale. And if you come to land for sale, these are properties for sale. and these are property close to my residence or maybe close to my city. Okay, because you can easily set your location on this marketplace. They will show you products around your city, around your state, okay, of which are not outside your state. Now these are properties. This is house worth 16 million. This is another land worth 1.3 million. This is another house worth 19 million, 1.5 million. These are houses, and these are real estate agents selling these houses, selling this land and the property for people. Now if you come over again to search for, let's search for car. Let's search, as you can see, these are cars. People are selling different kind of stuff in this marketplace. You can even come here and search for beans and see people are selling beans, okay, selling rice, selling food stuff. So whatever you are selling, you can easily sell it out in this Facebook marketplace. Or maybe you are a person who has something you are not using again. You have a or a refrigerator, a generator you are not using again, or you want to sell out your TV, you want to sell out your laptop or your phone. You can come here, list your product here, and you will get hundreds of interested buyers immediately to buy that product. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, we just go straight to the point. I'm going to be showing you how you can list your product here. Now you can optimize the product here, and the easiest part of this marketplace is that you can even come here and buy whatever you want to buy. As you can see, notify me down. That means if there's any listed car in this marketplace, I'm going to be notified that there is a car listed here. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to be going straight to how you can list your product in this marketplace. Now before you can list your product, what you have to click is to click on this sell button. Okay, we're not going to click on categories. Categories is where you select the kind of product you want to be seeing on the marketplace. So we just come to sell, click on sell. Now you'll be given a list of products you want to list. Now create new listing. If it's a vehicle you want to promote, or maybe is it vehicle you want to sell, maybe you want to sell a car or a van or anything, or you want to sell a house or a land, you can easily click here. But an item, because what we are selling an item. So once you come here, you are going to list the product. As you can see, I already have an item listed here. Okay, in the course of the tutorial, I already have an item listed because I was doing this even before this video. Okay, because I did this video earlier before, but due to sound issue, there was no sound. That was why it crashed down. So I'm going to continue from this very video. So the first thing you have to do is that you click on this add photo. You can select your photo, whichever photo you want to use for this very product. Okay, just select any photos, then you put it there. As you can see, I already have a photo here. Okay, you can select more than one photo. You can select up to 10 photos in this marketplace. Now what we are selling is an Italian wristwatch. I just select a random name, though it's not the name of the wristwatch. Now the price I placed is 10,000 naira, and the category I placed is main wristwatch. Now you can choose categories from here. Category, if it's electronics, if it's classified, if it's a clothing, accessories, entertainment, furniture, tools, laptop, you can select the category from there. Okay, now the condition, that's the next thing you want to select. If it's a new, or is it used like new, or is it used like good and or is unfair. In this way, maybe is a wristwatch you have used before. Okay, you have used it for several months, for like 2-3 months. You can select used like new. If it's still new but used good, that means the wristwatch has worn out a little bit. Okay, you want to sell it out. Now let's assume I'm selling a new wristwatch. Okay, I'm a dealer of wristwatch. Now I just click on new. Then the description is where you talk about the product. Okay, if you are selling a laptop, for example, this is the time you talk about the laptop conditions, the hours the battery lasts, the gig RAM, the ROM, the charger, if it's coming with charger, I mean everything, all the properties of the laptop. Okay, now wristwatch does not have more properties. Okay, I also have to just put brand new Italian wristwatch. Okay, but if you are selling anything like a landed property, this is where you put the address, the place of the land, the kilometer, the size of the land, the condition of the land, and everything you want to put. Okay, and you can easily say slightly negotiable, or you can just say not negotiable or slightly negotiable. So whatever you want to put here, whatever words you want to put, this is the right place to put it. Now your location is already set. If you are in Port Harcourt, whatever location you are, you click on your location. Then once you are done with that, you can easily select hide from friends or show to friends, in a way that you can hide your product or hide your listing from your friends, or which your friends don't want to see it. But for me, I don't prefer hiding from friends, because maybe your friends will want to buy this product, and you can easily boost your product after publishing, but I don't advise this. Okay, don't boost it. Okay, Facebook has a wide reach. Okay, so you can also list your product in more marketplace. Once you click on this place, this is a place where you can list your product. These are other marketplace in my vicinity, Edo marketplace and Benin City and all of that stuff, and I can list my product on this marketplace. And they're also suggesting me to join other marketplace, of which now your product will have access to wide reach. Okay, as you can see in this marketplace, you have over 7k members, 11k members, 200k members. Imagine your product reaching this kind of people. You will sell that in a minute. In a minute, whatever what you are selling, whatever product you are selling, you are going to be selling out in a matter of time. Okay, this is a place where you can list your product. I'm just going to click on some of the place. I'm not going to click on all of them. You can click, or you can join as many marketplaces as you wish if you want. I'm just going to click some of them. Now this is a place where you can add additional listing option. This is very important because you don't want to post your product without this. This is what determines your product if we reach the target audience. Now this is a place you have more information about your product. Now you can easily add the variant of a product. Maybe the variant, you want to choose the variant, if it's a brand, if it's a color, age group, that means the type, if it's for a specific time, if it's for a specific kind of people, a specific kind of age people, if it's for the old, new, you know what I'm talking about. Now this is the place you had a brand. I also have to add this brand name because I just pick a random name. Then the color of the product, you place it there. If it's black, if it's of different color, you have to specify it there. And age group, if it's for men only, I just put adults because these crystals are for adults. It's not for all age. It's not for infants. It's not for kids or newborn. But this watch is for adults. Now this is a place you have your game store. But I don't know much about this, but I will just have to leave this because I don't know. This is a new feature on Facebook, but let's leave that for now. Then your location is already set, and here's where you had your tag. Okay, tag. You know, Facebook is a kind of a search engine nowadays. People go to Facebook to search for things and stuff. So in case people are searching for this product, they can easily see it. This way you are targeting your right audience. Okay, because people go to the marketplace to search for product they want to buy. So the kind of words people will search, or the kind of words that people will put on the Facebook marketplace, that's the words you are going to be putting here. Okay, you have to be very practical in this manner because you have to use yourself as an example. Now when you go to the marketplace or when you go to Google and you want to buy a wristwatch or you want to buy a watch, what kind of words do you put there? Okay, you have to ask yourself. So those kind of words that come out of your mind, that is what we are going to put here. Okay, you're going to just put watch, wristwatch. You just put your tags here. Okay, what people are going to search. Okay, you know what you can put. Okay, you just put words. Maybe you are selling land. Okay, you can put land in Benin, land in Port Harcourt, land in wherever state you are, 100 by 100. What people are going to search. Okay, this tag is like what people are going to search, of which your product is going to appear. So this tag is like representing a search tag. So once you are able to optimize this search tag, anything people search, your product is going to. Anything people search around this keyword, your product is going to show up because you already tagged your product in this search tag. Now, once you have done that, you can easily place the availability. If it's a single product, if it's a single product or an unlimited product, or it has a variant, you can easily place it here. Okay, for me, I just prefer this as a single product. I just leave it that way, so that you can help the buyer understand the availability of the product, and you can easily offer shipping. Okay, maybe you stay in Nigeria, you stay in Ogun State, okay, and someone wants to buy it from Port Harcourt. You can easily offer shipping by the way of shipping it to the location. You guys will agree on price, agree on delivering and all of that stuff, and here you can agree on public meetup, door pickup or door drop off. Now this is for your own good. Maybe you want to meet the buyer, or the buyer want to meet you. You can easily tick one of these, okay, to at least let Facebook know what options you are available on, so that they can also notify the buyer that okay, this seller is available or open for public meetup or door pickup. You want to sell it in every man, or you want to drop it off on the door. So any of it you want to agree on, that will be on you. Okay, now you can easily also boost the product after publishing. We talked about this earlier, but this is not advisable for you, and you can easily hide from friends if you want to, and you can easily leave it for friends. So once I'm done with all my listing, this is time to publish. So once I click on this publish button, my product is going to be published on the Facebook Marketplace. It's going to go for at least an hour review. Then it's going to be live on all the marketplace I listed it. Okay, then just wait for at least for 1 hour. Then you start seeing tons of message running through your DM of people who are interested in getting this product. So that's it, guys. So that is how you can publish on Facebook Marketplace. Now you can sell the product. Now you can sell your product in this season without running a Facebook ads, or you can easily be running Facebook ads, using it to at least to scale it up. Now you can easily use this Facebook Marketplace to also make more sales. In that way, you are making more money for yourself. I believe you found this very video helpful. If you found it helpful, I would like you to do the needful right now. Give this video a like and comment in the comment section Facebook Marketplace. What we are doing is that you are helping this video reach new audience. Okay, giving this video a like and engaging with this video, tell Facebook that this is a good video and it will be able to reach more audience. Okay, if you're returning here, welcome back to the family, and if you're new here, do well to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on bell notification. In that way, YouTube will notify you anytime I drop awesome valuable content online. Okay, with that said, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.